Today, I used a different shampoo. Good afternoon. I had to stop and think that it's not morning. It's not morning. I had my hair braided and banded, and I shampooed my hair. But today, I used a different shampoo. And I'm going to talk a little bit about why right after I say thank you. Thank you to my subscribers. And I can't thank you enough. Really, I can't. I am excited about what's going on with my channel. Because even though I don't post as many videos as I did in the past per week, I'm still seeing growth. And I want to say thank you. I thank you for your support. And if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, come on, join the G&G family. Let's discuss some things, styles, some hair, and just hang out with me for a little bit. Now, let me tell you why I use a different shampoo. So I think it's been maybe a few weeks now. I did a video about conditioners and the purpose of a conditioner. The conditioner that I used on my hair was, I'm going to get it and I'm going to show you. It was the Carol's Daughter Almond and Milk Leave-In Conditioner. That's what I put on my hair. And the reason I used this was that it was a liquid and I didn't want buildup. But I really did use the conditioner for the purpose of making the point that you need to know why you condition your hair. Because there's a purpose. Well, after I conditioned my hair, I started paying attention to something that was a little bit different with my hair. One of the things that I've mentioned previously in my videos is that my ends are not locked. So the black part of my hair is not locked. Even after 2.5 years, they are not locked. And what I noticed after using that conditioner was that my ends were loosening up. My ends are pretty curly. And so often people ask the question, what can I do to keep my curly ends? I have an answer for you now. Because that conditioner, it loosened my ends a little more. And I am going to post a picture letting you see what my ends look like when I noticed what was happening. And so if you want to have loose ends, I'm not going to tell you it's curly, because whatever your hair does is what your hair does. So if your hair is normally curly or has that kinky curl, you can achieve that look by putting conditioner on the part of the hair that you don't want to lock. Because it will relax that hair just like it did to mine. That's why you're using a conditioner. You should know why. So I'm telling you now, you can use the conditioner on your ends in order to keep those ends loose. Because my ends have loosened some since using the conditioner. For that reason, I will not be using a conditioner on my hair. I used Suave Clarifying Shampoo on my hair in order to try to make sure that the conditioner was out of my hair. I also want to lift my cuticles to promote the locking process. And so I'm going to wash my hair a few more times with the Suave Clarifying Shampoo. for that purpose. I don't want my ends to always remain loose. As much as I love it, I am going to use the clarifying shampoo a few more times. And then I may use the clarifying shampoo along with the Design Essentials Aloe and Peppermint shampoo. And I just wanted to come and share that with you and let you know that loose ends can be achieved by using conditioners. And to warn you that if you want your hair to lock appropriately, then conditioners are not the best thing to use on your hair during that locking process. There will come a time when the conditioner is right for you. And right now, the conditioner is not right for me. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God because He's been so good to me. He's been better to me than I've been to myself. He keeps me, and I know that I am His. And I'm going to do a 360, even though one of my plaits have already come out, and there's no rhyme or reason to this hair of mine, but this is what I'm going to be wearing for the next 24 hours. Have a great day.